Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I will read a very beautiful story with a beautiful lesson for all of us. Try to follow me, yes, with all your attention. Now the story, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the name of the story and the moral. Let's start the story. 2 men were traveling together in a wild and lonely part of the country. Before they had set out on their journey, they had promised that if any danger should overtake them, they would stand by each other to the death. They had gone only a short way when a bear rushed out of the bushes and made straight for them. One of them, quick as a flash, took to a tree and scrambled up into its branches. The other, seeing he had no time to escape, threw himself flat upon the ground, pretending to be dead. As he lay there in the dust holding his breath, the bear came near, sniffing and smelling, putting his muzzle close to the man's ear. Then at last, with a growl, he shook his head and lumbered away, for bears will not touch a dead body. When the animal was completely out of sight, the man in the tree slid down to the ground and somewhat shamefacedly approached his companion, who was now sitting on a stone. "Well, old fellow," he said, "that was a close one, wasn't it? By the way, didn't I see that bear whispering to you? What did he say when he put his mouth to your ear?" "Why," replied the other, looking his companion straight in the eye, "it was no great secret. He just told me that the next time I should not place my faith in the word of a cowardly knave like you." The name of the story, The Travelers and the Bear. Moral: don't trust a friend who is liable to desert you when trouble comes.